Hi friends, this is Manmeet here and welcome to my YouTube channel Manmeet Sahani. Well, we all have been working at different positions, but believe you me that the worst that sucks is the middle management. When you start at the junior level, you are in that finite range wherein you're supposed to do the job that you have been assigned. You're responsible for your own job. When you keep on working and when you rise to the next levels and when you come into the senior management, then you have got a lot of infinite job roles because you've got a vision to take care of, you've got larger roles to take care of, and there's a little bit of the finite element. Well, the one who gets stuck between the junior level and the senior level is the middle manager, and believe you me, once again, this role sucks. So what does one do to really come out of this? Because on one hand you've got your junior whom you have to take care of, and you've got your senior management whom you also have to take care of. Well, the technique that I'm going to tell you here today is effective confrontation. What is effective confrontation? Well, there are three things in this, and all these three elements are compulsory when we are playing with effective confrontation. The first one is feeling. The second one is behavior, and the third one is the impact of that behavior. Now let me actually tell you how it really works. Well, if somebody has said something, right, it is how you behave because of the feeling that somebody had told you, and how does this behavior impact the long term. Well, to make it a little more simpler and more effective and to make you understand, let me give you as an example. Well, there is a meeting that is happening. The boss is sitting in that room. A junior walks in and the boss says, "Dear friend, I have been noticing that you are here every time you are late for this meeting. And I have been noticing that this is an every time event." And then the junior says, "No sir, the meeting that we had on Thursday, I was on time." "Yeah, but for this time," and so this conversation, the senior is stuck. Well, in this case, if it has to be really addressed, one really needs to take care of the noting that has happened, and he says from his notings that, "My dear friend, on Thursday when you came into the meeting, you were late, and this is just one incident I'm quoting. When we had a meeting on the 24th of last month, you were again late, and because of this behavior of yours, I am starting to get an impression that you are not really very interested in attending these meetings, and if I see this, it is not good for your career in the future." Well, that's what effective confrontation is. Well, what you have just heard is how this has been coming down from the senior management to the junior. Now, when you're playing this role of a mediator or a translator between the two managements, that the junior and the senior, there will be certain kind of feelings that even your juniors would want to give over to the seniors. So how do you actually manage that part to it? In this case, the effective confrontation would be that, "Sir, you had asked us to give this particular delivery. We did this, but you did not appreciate or recognize or reward us, because of which I felt demotivated, and now going forward I really don't know how to motivate myself, and it is affecting my sales that is happening over the next couple of months. I have not been able to perform from the last 2 months because of the rewards and recognitions that did not happen when you had announced them." Now remember this rule of FBI, that is your feeling, the behavior, and what is the long-term impact of this behavior that is happening. And this is how you can manage between the two levels by effective confrontation. Well, this is what I wanted to share with you, that how being in the middle management, you can actually balance things as a mediator or a translator. In case any one of you wants to connect with me directly one-on-one, please give me a call on the number that is flashing down here, that is 98732 5228. Look forward to meet you again. Thank you.